everyone, and I'm here to introduce you to our webinar on auditing of post-marketing pharmacovigilance activities. This will take place on Thursday the 18th of March 2021. During this webinar, we will look at the regulatory requirements for auditing of pharmacovigilance from both the US and European perspective. We will look at the audit universe and defining the stakeholders and processes that need to be included in the audit programme. We will then look at the assessment of risk of these stakeholders and processes and how that drives the scheduling of audits. We will look at the life cycle of an audit, right the way through from preparations through to the conduct of the audit itself, reporting and following through on actions associated with audits. And finally, we will look at some common findings that are found during inspections and audits of post-marketing pharmacovigilance activities. We hope you will be able to join us, and we look forward to seeing you in March. Thank you.